Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press the subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform, so that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. All right, guys, really excited because this is a box that I tried once, and then it was not up to my liking. And then I started seeing some really cool things on Instagram with an upcoming box that was for this month. And I said, you know what? This is what I wanted from this box. So I re-signed up. When you sign up for this box, the box I'm talking about is Macys. You sign up on a wait list, and then if you're lucky, you'll get opened up the following month, which is what I did. And that's what ended up happening. So this is only $15 a month. They also always have fantastic sales that I share with you sometimes, even without getting the box on Macys.com. But when you get the box, they also give you a coupon card in here. Sometimes it's $5, sometimes it's $10, and so on and so forth. So I've been watching a couple of girls unbox this for a little while because my memories of a department store were so spectacular. I grew up where we were 3 children. I had 2 older brothers and then me, the girl. And my mother was so ecstatic to have a daughter that all these little treats that we used to do together bring back such memories, and the department store was one of them. We used to go all the way downtown by bus to spend the day in a department store. And that was when the days were where the elevators had, the girls wore the gloves and they would go up the elevator by, first floor, second floor. It was just such a fantastic experience. So when Macys had a box, and they have access to all these fantastic counters of these high-end brands, and we weren't seeing what I expected to see out of a Macys box, it didn't hit it. This month, out of the park. So let me share with you why I decided to re-sign back up. And it simply was because they were advertising that they were gonna do a box that was filled with Yves Saint Laurent. This is exactly what I wanted to get out of this box, but $15 blew my mind what they were able to put in here. They also sometimes have in the brochure, which we'll read everything, we'll go through the prices and all of that, a card that says this. This usually makes me very nervous. However, this oops this month ended up being the best oops that you can get in a box. So like I said, everything comes in that white box. They're always wrapped in a beautiful pink tissue paper. But this month, they also had a bag. And this bag says Yves Saint Laurent on it. It had all those little cover-ups that you have to peel away. From the zipper as well says Yves Saint Laurent. So if you're a girl that these designer brands were ones that you grew up with and you watched the fashion shows and things like that, these are the designers that when you hear the word designer, you think of brands like Yves Saint Laurent. So this is the cute bag that we received this month. And like I said, I'm so happy that I was able to get off the wait list. It's lined inside. It is a nice size bag. The bag alone with Yves Saint Laurent on it is such a keepsake. I'm over the moon about this. So excited about that being the first item. So if you're not familiar on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. If you're not following me there, you are missing out. So make sure to follow me also on Instagram. Again, my name there is True Wants with the number 2. And then I remove any outside packaging so that when I'm sitting down here, we can look and we can play and we can swatch and we can do all that. So let's learn and find out what this is all about. So like I mentioned, there is this brochure, and inside the brochure, they have everything written in here. And yes, there is also a card, and it says you can enjoy $5 off your next $20 purchase, which is right here. And I'm so excited because this time of year, I'm always going on different websites to see what the deals are, because everybody has so many deals going on right now where we can really pick and choose where we want to spend our dollars. But when you can get a box for $15 with a couple of items, let alone the amount of items that I'm going to share with you from a brand like Yves Saint Laurent, including a bag, it blew my mind. So everything that I wanted this to be, it is and more. So let's get started. Okay, so this is Yves Saint Laurent. They're saying the value of this is $96.41. It says, the name says it all, and I agree. It says it is an immerse yourself into our brand, dripping in pure luxury with buttery soft lipsticks, long wearing makeup, and famed fragrances that live up to their glowing reputations. And one of my favorites is in here too. Okay, so the first one, I'm so excited, also came in this little guy box here, and this is the Radical Volumizing Mascara. It says, throw your falsies aside. Turns out you can get length and intense volume without any lash glue. It's enriched with Moroccan argan oil and pro vitamin B5. This formula enhances definition without smudging or clumping. The full size of this is $29. And it simply says how to use. Stroke upward in a zigzag motion to separate the lashes. Keep adding coats if you want more volume. So this is the cute little box that it came in. And this is the sample size of this here. So really excited. It has the Yves Saint Laurent on there. We're going to open this up because for sure I'm going to be trying this. And as I shared with you so many times, one of my favorite brushes are these standard brushes that are simply these bristle brushes. And these give you such volume, and they keep, for me anyways, my lashes so soft. Even this little sample size has a click in it. So make sure when you get this, or if you've ever tried it, make sure to click it, that you hear the click so it closes. Usually only high-end mascaras do that. So really excited about that. The next item that we got in here is a new one for me to have the opportunity to try. This is from this brand called everything in this box is Yves Saint Laurent. This one is called Pure Shots. This is their Night Reboot Resurfacing Serum. It says you can sleep easy knowing that this night serum is doing all the work. It has glycolic acid and a moon-like cactus flower. Yes, that's a thing. Combining their magical powers to exfoliate, refine, and moisturize your skin for glowing complexion in the morning. The full size of this is an $88 value, and it says how to use. Gently shake the serum to activate the formula and apply to clean, dry skin at night. And this is the little guy that we got here. So like I said, I am like so over the moon. Oh, and as you can see here, it is separated. So you can see the oil, you can see the separation there. So let's do a little shaky shake, and it all gets shaked together. Let's see what this is about. So it has a pump. Oh, I'm so excited about this. And then this is what it looks like here. So it is a lightweight serum, and usually higher end brands have sometimes like a perfumey scent, and I'm not smelling that at all on this. So really excited about that. And my skin just drank that in. Really excited to have the opportunity to try something from their skincare line. The next one was one that I could not wait to see if this was going to be in the box, and it was. This is a sample size of one of their lipsticks, and this one is their Rouge Volupté Volupté, VOLUPTE accent aigu. And this one has a Shine Oil in Stick Hydrating Lipstick Balm. They're saying your lips are as smooth as silk, are no longer out of reach. Rich pigment and the oil-infused formula will deliver high shine, hydration, and a vibrant finish that locks in moisture, not to mention this seductive shade that works for every skin tone. It says, read our lips, you need this. This is a $38 value for the full size, and it says you simply can layer on as much or as little as you prefer and reapply when necessary. So let's see what color we got here. And if there's any shades or anything, I will definitely leave them in the comments down below. Yeah, this is fantastic. So it is their gorgeous red shade, which is what I was hoping to have in my arsenal. And that is one swipe. And they said we can layer, so let's do a little layering. And this is beautiful. This is really a softer red, and it went on and felt so moisturizing. Really excited to get this. And is that not the cutest? Oh, so beautiful. All right, the next one in here, let's see what we have. says it is called Montparfi Eau De Parfum, and that is this guy here. And this one says, from Paris with love, discover sparkling florals paired with modern yet daring datura flower that blends into the seductive scent, embodying the root of femininity in the city of love. A final touch of red berries and pear adds a certain je ne sais quoi, and the full size of this is $128. They're simply saying spray into the pulse points for a scent that will last you all day. So that's what this looks like here. Wait till you see the bottle that is inside. Is that not everything and more? Ah, so, so beautiful. So this, they're saying spray, but on this one here, it is one of those, you know, I'm gonna say old fashioned, little dabs where you put it in, turn the bottle upside down, and then you will be able to, there's so many perfumes in this bag, I don't wanna put too much on. And this is what it looks like here. So look at this bottle. Is that not everything? Oh, so, so beautiful. So even if this scent is not for you, this is a stocking stuffer, is everything. So, so, so excited. Okay, the next item is the one that was the Oops. And you're gonna see how great this Oops is. So what was supposed to be in here was the Libre Eau de Parfum, which is one that I own currently. So I'm happy about that. And the scent of Libre is beyond. So this one, it says, this is one that's missing is the Eau de Parfum, but they have the Eau de Toilette in here for this brand. So for this scent. So the Eau de Parfum one says, make a way for a statement scent that stands no matter for the season. This reinvention of the classic flowery fragrance brings a modern edge, French lavender essence, and a Moroccan orange blossom to create the perfect floral fusion, and it's $132. The Eau de Parfum, the Eau de Toilette is the one that we got, and that one says, shine a little brighter with this fresh take on its renowned predecessor, which is the one that we just read. And it says, this fragrance features a burst of French lavender like the original, but the addition of the white tea accord creates a modern youthful scent that feels light and airy. And this is $112. So this is like, you didn't get the Eau de Parfum, which is the original, excuse me, but you did get the Eau de Toilette, which is fantastic also. So really excited about that. So what they put in to replace it was this guy here. And this is another one of their lipsticks. And this one is that perfect, perfect nude looking shade. So let's do a swatch of this guy over here. And that's one. And that's two. Is that not stunning? Also, just as smooth, just as moisturizing. Really, really, really excited to get this. And again, in one of those fantastic, fantastic tubes. And then the last item in here is something for the men. And this is a men's Y Eau de Parfum. It says, indulge in the balance fragrance. This distinctive, iconic, inspired by Yves Saint Laurent white t-shirt and black jacket. This scent embodies the brand's cool, calm, and collective ideals with the notes of a soothing cedarwood and bold bergamot. It says, spray as desired, a little goes a long way. And so much so that I didn't even open this, and you can smell it from here. It is so delish. It is that, when men wear this type of cologne, it truly, for me, is everything. So really, really excited about that. And this is really nice also, stocking stuffer for the men in our lives. Really, really excited to get that. And that's everything that we received in this month's box. I am so, so excited to have this back on the channel. And if this is the direction that they're taking, I usually, when I start with a box, I stick through it, because I know that sometimes with these boxes that are like, you know, $15, you're not always going to love everything, and that's fine. I'm fine with that. As long as we get to try a lot of things, I love that. But for $15 to get something from Yves Saint Laurent, even if it was just one lipstick and one mascara and a perfume, that would have been enough. But look how many items we got. It's mind-blowing. On top of it, we got the bag. Please share with me down below how you feel about this. And if you get Macys, or if you didn't, you know, you stopped, because like I said, on my channel, once I get in and I research and I do the bag, I usually stick with it. Like I've been with BoxyCharm from day one. I've been with Ipsy from day one. And everything that you see on my channel, I grew because they added boxes to their Ipsy, went from the Glam Bag to the Glam Bag Plus and so on and so forth. So everything that they did, I just added to continue on with their brands. And that's how this channel grew. And I got so lucky that when I chose to start this channel was solely when I moved to the United States. And I was so excited to get into subscription boxes with that $10 bag. And then when BoxyCharm had that $25 full size, and then I think it was $19. Everything that this channel grew from was because the brands that I stayed with, the companies that I choose to stay with grew. And this channel grew because of that. And if you guys love this as much as I do, please share with me in the comments down below if you've been getting Macys, or if this is what you also were looking for Macys to do, and then we would share with this excitement together that this is the direction that Macys may be taking in the future. So really, really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you. Love that you share with me in the comments, because this passion comes from my heart, because to have access to these brands and in boxes at this price where you don't have to choose or do any of that, it's a true surprise. But when you get it, majority, I think, of the people get the same items as you, and that's so much fun to be able to share. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.